Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ipsy, and today is that time of the month, time of the month. It is time for February's BoxyCharm. So if I do say so myself, this box feels very light. It feels really light this month. It looks kind of small this month. Maybe I'm just going crazy. But it just feels very light. So let's open it up. So BoxyCharm is a subscription box. It is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products inside of the box. And it comes every month, I guess. There are 3 different levels. I think it's the regular one, the luxe, and the premium. I just have the regular one right now. I was thinking about getting the other ones, but I'm not sure yet. If you guys do like the box and you want to sign up for it, for BoxyCharm, I will leave a link down below so that you can sign up for it. So let's open it up. Okay, I feel like everything is I made a mess, guys. Okay, let's try to fix that a bit, huh? Okay, so I don't see a card. I don't have a card. Okay, that's cool. We'll figure it out. So the first thing in here is the Intensive Eye Care Day and Night Eye Cream by QMS Medi Cosmetics. It is 0.5 fluid ounces. So it's like this. It's really tiny. It smells very night creamish. Because I know some of them do have like a good smell or specific smell to it. This one does not have a specific smell. Give me a good eye cream, honestly. Oh, let's see how that feels on. Okay, so the next thing that we have here is the Isles of Paradise vegan-friendly, cruelty-free, and organic medium self-tanning drops for face and body. I don't think I want to tan right now, so I'm just gonna leave this to the side. But these are self-tanning drops. Wow, this lighting is getting real bad today. Look at this. So the next thing we have is the Queen, but I think I'm saying it wrong. I think it's Queen, but with a V. So like this. Can you guys see? Queen. And this is the matte liquid lip stain in the shade Monroe. So let's open this up. Oh wow, this is really pretty packaging. It actually reminds me of like Kat Von D packaging, if that's right. Just a little bit. It's a really pretty color. Wow, it looks more pinkish on the thing. So that's the color. So then the next thing we have is the Pretty Vulgar Full Reels Extreme Volume Mascara. This is $149 at the top, so I hope that stands for black. Yeah, Black Swan. Oh my gosh! This packaging is so pretty. Guys, can you see it? Like, it's not focusing on the packaging. Like, you guys really need to, like, look at it. Like, oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's look at the wand. Okay, that's a nice wand. It's a pretty nice wand. Okay, so next thing that we have is brushes. Was that 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's a set of brushes. It is from, I don't know. This is from Alamar. I don't know. But we have a brightening brush, a complexion brush. Wow, this is nice. And a bronzer brush. We're gonna use these today. Maybe not for what they say it's for, because I would not use this for bronzer. I would use this more towards like highlighter brush. I said brush or blush, not like brightening. And then this I would use more toward like bronzer or setting, more bronzer. So we'll use these brushes today, definitely. So what we're gonna do is we're going to drink some coffee. We're going to zoom you guys in, and we're gonna start with the brows. Okay, so today we are using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown. First, we're going to spoolie out the brows. And then we are going to fill them in or draw them in. Wow, guys, I'm all the way at the end. I have to get a new one now. We're just gonna do the bottom, the top, and then we're gonna fill. Now I'm going to take the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer in the shade 60 Little White Lies. And I'm going to put a little bit of this in the back of my hand. And I'm going to use this Profusion eyebrow brush. And I'm going to use it to carve out the brows. So now we're just going to take this P. Louise base and we're going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. And we're going to use this Wet n Wild's flat brush and we're going to use it to prime the lids. So now that we have the eyelids primed, it's time to do the eyes. So today we are using the Violet Voss Flamingo eyeshadow palette. I haven't like touched this palette in a very long time. So I wanted to play with it today. It looks a little something like this. I was thinking of doing something more blue, but since we got this red lipstick, I don't think that's gonna work anymore. So I think I'm just gonna do something a little bit more natural. So we're just going to take this fluffy Morphe brush and we're gonna dip into Sunbathe, which is this like orangish brownish color in the corner, and we're just gonna put that into the crease. Okay, so before I forget, we're going to put on some brow gel, and we're using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel to set these brows. Okay, so now we're just going to take the shade Popsicle right here, right next to Sunbathe, and we're going to use that to deepen up the crease just a little bit. Oh, and we're also using this Profusion like fluffy brush to deepen the crease. So now we're going to take this Morphe shadow brush and we're going to dip into Sandals, which is right at the bottom corner. Oh my goodness, right here. And we're going to put that in the outer V of the eye. So now we're just going to take this Wet n Wild flat shadow brush. And we're just going to dip into Sand, which is right here in the corner under Sunbathe. And we're going to put that in the inner lid area. Yeah. So with that same brush that we used for Sunbathe, we're just going to take it, not put any more product on it. We're just going to clean up the crease. That's all we're gonna do for the eyelids right now. So we're just going to get some of that Pretty Vulgar mascara. This packaging is so nice. Like, I can't get over it. Like the little birds and everything. I love it. And we're just going to coat our lashes. So I actually like the way that the bristles of like the brush is. The mascara is nice. It's not too wet. It's not dry, so that's good because I mean it's not old. But it's not like too watery. I think it did a nice job, but it's not my go-to look for my lashes. But it did a nice job coating the lashes. So the next thing we're gonna do is put on some lashes because you know baby girl can't walk out the house like this. So today we are using the Juno & Co 3D 61 lashes, the one that we got in the box. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below for you guys. It is time for the face. So we're priming the face with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Primer. I'm just going to put a little bit on the fingers and put it all over the face. So now we're going to take the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the shade Porcelain. Oh gosh, that's under the light. And we're just going to put a pump or a couple, just 3. And we're going to put it all over the face. So now we're going to take the Pretty Vulgar Concealer and we're going to conceal under the eyes and on the face. And we're just going to take the Lurella flat brush and we're just going to blend it out. Great. So now it's time to set the face, and today we are using the Jeffree Star setting powder in the shade Topaz, and we're just gonna take this BS Mauve face tapered brush and we're gonna use it to set the face, and we're gonna first set the under eyes and then the rest of the face. So now we're going to take that brush that we got in the box, the complexion brush, and we're going to go in with the ColourPop bronzer in the shade Coconut Beach. Okay, and then we're just going to bronze up the cheeks and the face. So now we're going to take this Real Techniques brush, number 300. And we're going to go in with that Lovecraft Beauty eyeshadow, blush palette that we got in from the Ipsy bag. If you haven't seen that one, I will link it down below for you guys. And we're actually just going to dig into Scalia over here in the corner. And we're going to rosy up the cheeks. We're just going to take this Lurella brush here. And we're going to dip into Sunbathe, and we're going to put that on the lower lash line. So now we're going to go in with that Pretty Vulgar mascara again, and we're going to coat the bottom lashes. Now we're just going to take some of the Sex Kitten eyeliner by Tarte, and we're just going to line the waterline just a little bit. Now that we have some eyeliner on, it's time to highlight. And we're going in with the Lurella Los Angeles Glaze Lit Kit. And we are taking that brush that came inside of the box, the brightening brush. And we're going to dip into Glow Gal just a little bit because this brush is big, and highlight. So now it's time to set the face, and we're using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Last step, lips. So this is the final look using everything that I got inside of the BoxyCharm this month. So I'm going to zoom you guys out and we're going to talk a little. Okay. So what did you guys think of this month's BoxyCharm? I think that, I don't know. This isn't my favorite box from BoxyCharm. But I think it had some nice stuff in it, like, you know, the lip stain, which is really nice. It dries down like super fast, and it kind of bled a little. I was trying to clean it up here, but it was like a little hard to clean up, honestly. Yeah. But it dries down super fast. It's really pretty on the lips. The mascara is really nice. Like, they have some good stuff in the box. Just feel like it wasn't my most favorite box. I feel like it was a lot of the this box was full of a lot of items that you would get on the side that'd be like, oh, that's nice too. Like, you know, not a whole box of like, wow, 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 wow. Like, there's usually one wow item in the box, and I don't think I had a wow item in this box. I think they were just all, ooh, that's nice. Ooh, that's nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys would like to see next. Let me know if I should subscribe to any of the boxes. Let me know anything, honestly. I would love to do anything for you. Let me know if you see any mystery boxes, because I love mystery boxes. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit the little bell button that... I said bell button, guys. Oh my god, it's coming back. Go away. Go away. The little bell button down below so you'll be notified every time that I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.